Hello, what's your name, branch, and year?
Hello, my name is Shaurabhi Dinesh Sharma, currently pursuing computer science engineering first year.
Hello, my name is Aryan. I'm from civil branch and I'm in first year.
Hello, my name is Aksham Jaiswal. I'm from CSE AIDS. I'm in first year.
I am Nidhi Pillai, first year AIDS branch.
I'm Sana Bhagat from first year, branch IT.
Hello, my name is Atharv Bhange, CCIML. I am from first year.
Myself Tejas and I'm from FY Cybersecurity branch.
My name is Shreyas. I am from cybersecurity branch and I am from first year.
Myself, Sayyam Dobada. I'm from first year, BTech Cybersecurity branch.
I am Himanshi Nayak from first year, AIML branch.
My name is Omkar Anpise and I am from CSE AI branch and currently I am in first year.
I'm Gauri Nanavre. I'm from electrical branch.
My name is Anushri Damahe. I'm from CS branch and I'm in first year.
Myself Tejas Dabhade and I'm from FY Cybersecurity.
Myself Aditya Dama. My branch is computer engineering.
Myself Abhishek Thagare. I'm from first year IT branch.
I'm
If
Vishal
you had
Yadav
opportunity
from
to
first
work
year
with
ENTC
NASA or
department.
ISRO, what will you choose?
I'm from first year
NASA.
CSE AI.
Myself Prerna Agrawal. I am from first year data science CSE.
Tell me something about you that makes you unique in this campus.
I'd say I have pretty high confidence for my age.
My random reactions.
I am very good at drawing and I'm interested in art and craft.
I guess compared to my classmates, I do not have much stage fear for one, and I'm kind of interested in singing. I don't know if that's something unique because I don't know people much. It's just 2 months now, but
The thing that makes me unique is I know many people here. I'm friends with almost everyone. That's the thing that makes me unique.
अगर यूनिक के बारे में बोलो तो जब मतलब जितना मैंने मेरे क्लास के बारे में देखा है जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने कुछ किया नहीं है और मैं ऑलरेडी मतलब बहुत कुछ करके आया हूँ लाइक मैंने मतलब वेब पेन टेस्टिंग की है मेरे को इंडस्ट्रियल का थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज है ऑलरेडी तो मेरे को लगता है वो यूनिक बनाता है मेरे को
I have represented our college for solo non-percussion in SPPU and other 5 categories too. And I was the only first year student who represented the college at university.
Self-confidence and communication skills.
I'm kind of a talkative person. I can talk with anyone.
I am chaos, dramatic, judging people, everything.
Describe yourself in one word.
One word, creative person.
Something about me that makes me unique would be my socializing skills. I find immense joy in forging new connections and making meaningful relationships.
something that would make me unique is that I am a beatboxer and I play sports archery.
What are your future plans?
My future plans are to get a job in the sector of AIML and get an internship as early as possible and get stable in life.
मेरे फ्यूचर्स प्लान के बारे में तो मेरे को साइबर में ही मतलब करियर बनाना है और साइबर सेल सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ज्वाइन करना है.
What are your future plans?
My current future plans would be completing this course and maybe post graduation.
My plans would be focusing on my sports career and this degree.
What is entrepreneurship in your own words?
Basically, making money so that you can live a luxury life.
I'd say it's a pretty niche idea for an individual to make his own company. So entrepreneurship is very vast and it's very good for your future.
अगर आइडियाज अच्छे रहेंगे तो स्टार्टअप्स वगैरह भी वो अच्छा हो जाएगा, ग्रो होता है.
I'd say you can gain experience from your failures and all that. So entrepreneurship is a very best idea for me.
According to me, entrepreneurship is just like taking your own decisions all by yourself. That is, if you are talking about entrepreneurship, there are many types of businesses that you can build. So the current trend is of startups. In startups, there are also various types in which the unicorns and all. You see that USA is leading with more than 700 unicorns as of now. And talking about India, we have around 100 unicorns. So I think we should improve on that.
If you had the opportunity to work with NASA or ISRO, what will you choose?
ISRO.
Probably NASA.
If you had opportunity to work with NASA or ISRO, what will you choose?
ISRO as well.
I would definitely choose ISRO.
I will choose ISRO.
Same.
Who is your current favorite influencer?
This one influencer, Bloglets. So she creates her own merchandising and all, and she started from the scratch and is very successful. I guess maybe her.
Samay Raina.
Who is your favorite influencer?
As I'm into boxing, so my current favorite influencer as of now, so he's Mike Tyson.
Scammer payback.
For me, it will be Tapesh Kumar. He's a pilot in India.
Have you heard about ESL?
यस मैंने सुना ईसेल के बारे में, मतलब स्टार्टअप्स और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के रिलेटेड है वो.
I've heard about ESL through IIT Bombay. It is based on entrepreneurship.
Who is better, Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Ronaldo.
Thank you.
Who is better, Messi or Ronaldo?
I'd say Ronaldinho. Neither. It's a big debate, and I've come to choose in between. So neither Messi nor Ronaldo. Ronaldinho.
Thank you. Who is better, Messi or Ronaldo?
It's always Ronaldo.
If you became rich tomorrow, what's the first thing you would buy?
AMG G6.